5. Develop marketing strategy. Your products and services are amazing, and you need to tell the world. Marketing doesn't have to be expensive. Start with a free social media accounts. Volunteer at community events to spread the word locally. And as you'll get more sales, try paid marketing opportunities like social media ads. And there are plenty of low-cost offline marketing methods you can consider. The key to successfully marketing your business is interaction and connecting with your customers where they are at. Don't just stick with one message. Test multiple iterations and see what converts more. Be willing to try, fail, and try again as you narrow down your messaging. 6. Find just customers and reach to them. Getting customers is vital for long-term success. You've tested and validated your idea, which may lead to sales. But now it's time to get your first official customers. These buyers are acquired through the sales and the marketing channels you are established and represent everything you've planned in this action. Offer promotional discounts, incentives, and even free services in exchange of reviews and feedback. This initial group serves as your springboard for building an audience and a positive reputation. It's a good way to grow and refine your business model and marketing efforts. 7. Watch and get your finance in order. Turning your hobby into a business means reporting your income and paying taxes. Set up a business bank account, hire an accountant, or get accounting software that help you keep track of your finances. You'll naturally identify your startup and operational costs throughout the business planning process. But you will also need to get the rest of your financial plan in order. You will need a profit and loss statement, cash flow statement, balance sheet, sales forecast, personnel plan, business ratios, and break-even analysis. At the start, a full financial plan is valuable for you to keep track of how your business is doing and identify any areas for improvement. Eventually, if you apply for a loan or pitch your business, this will be a vital piece to successfully receiving funding. Lastly, you also need to get your personal finances in order. This means understanding your current financial situation, what you can afford for your business, and if your personal credit will affect your business, you will likely want to separate your business from your personal finances if you become full-time business owner. 8. Get a mentor to guide your business. Now that you've got your business off the ground, it may be time to grow your network and find a business mentor. This can be someone who is grown through this process before and can guide you through the startup and growing stages. They could be someone in your current network, an old business colleague, part of local startup community, or even a well-known entrepreneur. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is that you shouldn't try and force the mentorship. Instead, it should occur as a natural part of you growing your professional network. Be on lookout. Show your willingness to learn and have your business plan or pitch deck at ready that showcase how you handling your business. Okay, if you followed these steps, there is a good chance you've successfully turned your hobby into a business. Or you may have found through this exploration that your hobby just stay a hobby. Just remember, if you did end up creating a business, that process may source something that you used to enjoy. And this can be compounded by natural letdown as you fall into regular cadence of maintaining operations. Just remember, this is perfectly natural and there will always be opportunities to grow and experiment. This will inject excitement back in. If you have a passionate hobby in fashion, starting a clothing boutique will be a good choice, as people wear clothing every day and buying clothing years by years. So try it as a side hustle. Beginning an online store and marketing on social media platforms, it is really a good option to go. If you are already an influencer with over 1,000 followers and have a nice engagement, why not think about monetize your traffic? KakaClo, as a clothing, wholesale, and dropshipping platform, has now launched a profitable affiliate program that offering free online stores to influencers. Here are 2 ways to run this business. One is to share the links of products. Then you will get commission by the orders that purchased by the links you share. Another one is more exciting. You will get an online store of your own. You can list products you like to this store, and what you need to do is just sharing these products to the audience. When order comes, you will get the profits. If you are interested in this project, contact us by emails for more details. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, give a thumb and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!